Okay, so I purchased a 2008 Toyota Matrix and it didn't come with a bumper protector in the back. I'm not sure why, but I believe by standard they do, but I may be wrong. So I decided to purchase one, and the part number is PT27802050, and there are two types. So according to the instructions that came in the package, for the model year 2003 and 4, it's PT27802021, and for the 2005 to 2008 model, which is the last year, the number has changed to 02050. So in the package came the protector itself, which has double-sided tape on it. It also came with a template, and it also came with instructions. Now, according to the instructions, you just need to clean the surface. They recommend using 3M prep solvent. So I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel and clean the surface. And they said don't touch it after you clean it. And then they said to use a scissors to cut out the template. Alright, and the template goes in these areas here. Right, and then you put the protector on from one side and push it all the way to the other side, not like this. And then you use a roller, which I have, and roll it. So let me get the templates cut and installed, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The templates are different, each one of them. So this is the A on this side. There's a cut hole here so you can see the screw. And then I taped here, here, and on this corner over here. So the protector goes around from here all the way down. This is the end line, the top edge. And over here is the C. Right, and this one, it has to come up on this edge. So there's no curve on this one. So you have to start on this edge. So I'm just going to wipe it with rubbing alcohol one more time because I just touched it, and then I'm going to pull off the tape and apply it from this end over to that end, and I have a roller which I will use. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I pull the tape off halfway and stop this side first, and then continue pulling the tape off up until the end. So I'm just going to roll it with this roller, which I purchased on Amazon, I believe. It came with a kit of something else, so I have this roller. And the instructions said apply 30 pounds, so I guess I'll apply it, put a lot of weight into it, I guess. And that should be it. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.